Hello guys, in this video we will see fixed why your Roblox has no sound. Simple steps for mobile will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check Roblox volume settings. Content. Ensure your Roblox in-game volume is not muted or set too low. Navigate to the sound settings within Roblox itself. This is usually accessed through the settings menu. Often a gear icon within the game. Look for sliders controlling music effects and overall game volume. Adjust these sliders to your preferred levels, ensuring they are not at zero. Restart the game after making any adjustments to ensure the changes are applied correctly.
Step verify system volume. Content. Confirm your computer or mobile device master volume is not muted or extremely low. Locate your system's volume control, typically found in your operating system's notification area, system tray, or through system settings. Check both the overall system volume and the volume for your specific audio output device, headphone, speakers. Ensure the volume is adequately high and that the output device is selected correctly.
Step check audio device selection. Content. Make sure Roblox is using the correct audio output device in your system's sound settings. Verify that the audio output device selected, headphone, speakers, is functional and the one you intend to use for Roblox. If you have multiple audio devices connected, select the correct one. You might need to restart Roblox or your computer mobile device after making changes to the audio device settings. Step update or reinstall audio drivers. Only content outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause sound issues for users. Go to your computer's device manager. Search for it in the Start menu and expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click on your audio device and select Update Driver. Alternatively, you can visit your motherboard manufacturer's website or the website of your sound card manufacturer to download the latest drivers for your specific model. If updating fails, try reinstalling the drivers.
Step 3. Install Roblox. Content. If all else fails, a corrupted Roblox installation might be the culprit. Completely uninstall Roblox from your computer or mobile device, then download and install the latest version of Roblox from the official Roblox website. This will ensure you have a clean installation without any corrupted files that might be interfering with the audio functionality.